Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Like in this video we will see how to find maximum element in an array. Okay, so let's see. So basically we have given an array with some elements, and out of those elements we have to find the maximum one, correct? So here you can see we have given an array ARR with the elements 6, 9, 12, 20 and 14, and out of these we have to find the maximum one, correct? So here you can see clearly that 20 is the maximum one. Okay, so the question is like how we can achieve this thing, correct? So let's see the logic part. Okay, so for achieving the maximum one, what we will do, like we traverse the array from the left to right. Okay, and check at the each position which is the maximum element. Okay, for each position, correct? So here you can see the logic. Suppose we have started traversing with the I variable. Okay, and we have a variable maximum where we will store the maximum element. Okay, and I have initialized max with -1. Okay, and here we will see ARR of I, and so here you can see like I am starting I is equal to 0, because as I said earlier, like we will traverse the array from left to right. Okay, so I'm starting array with the first element, that is 0. Okay, here I'm putting index of all the elements. Okay, so here what will be the ARR of 5 means ARR of 0, ARR of 0 would be 6. Okay, so now here we will check is ARR of 5 is greater than max. Okay, ARR of 5 greater than max. So 6 is greater than -1. Yeah, correct. So what we will do, like we will put max with ARR of I. So what we will do here, so here our max will be 6. Okay, so again we will jump to the next element, that is at the index 1, and for index 1 what we have the elements, that is 9. ARR of 1 is 9. You can see here index ARR of 1. Okay, so again we will check ARR of I. What is ARR of I? Our ARR of I 9. So 9 is checked with 6. Like 9 is greater than max, and in max we have 6. Is 9 greater than 6? Yes. So we will update the max with 9. Okay. Next we will move to the next index. So what is our next index? 2 with the element 12, and check is 12 is greater than 9? Yes, correct. So we will keep here, we will update the max with 12. Okay, again we will move to the next element, that is the index 3rd with the element 20, and check here is 20 is greater than 12, that is the max. So yes, we can see clearly 20 is greater than max, that is 12. So we will update the max again with 20. Okay, so now we will move to the next element. Okay, so here you can see like for the index 4 we have element 14. Okay, and what is our max is 20. So is 14 is greater than 20? No, no, correct. So we will not update the max. Okay, so at the end what will be our max, that is 20. Okay, so at the end print the max, that is 20. Got it? So let's jump to the code. Okay, we will see the implementation part also, correct? So before that I am writing here the pseudocode so you can understand. So I will traverse a loop from I is equal to 0 to n. Okay, n is nothing but our size of the array, and here and I have taken a variable max with the initialization of 1 minus 1, sorry. Here we'll keep checking the condition, is ARR of I greater than max? If yes, if this condition holds true, then what we will do? We will update the max to ARR of I. Okay. So our if condition run till this and this. So let's jump to the code. Okay. Like here you can see we have already taken the input part, okay, and I have made a function that is max element with the argument array and the size of the array. Okay, so let's see the implementation. So basically what are the all requirements? We have to take in a variable max with the initialization of -1. Okay, and now start the traversal. So I have taken a loop, for loop. We are traversing the loop from I is equal to 0 to I less than n. Okay, so and now here we will check if ARR of I is greater than max. If true, then we will update the max with ARR of I. Okay, and at the end we will return the max element. Okay, so let's see the output. So let's run our code here. Okay, so we have already written the command for compiling. So it compiled successfully. Now run it. So what what was our input for the explanation? We have 6, 9, 12, 20, 14. Okay, so size of the array would be 5 and the element is 6, 9, 12, 20 and 14. And what would be our max? Max would be 20. So you can see here it's printing 20. So our logic is correct. I hope you guys understood the logic. If you having any doubts, please ask in a comment section, and please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.